Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the GM certified 2017 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z8483XX. 23,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Patriot Blue in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Equinox seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers, and family-friendly with hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. And very clean, as you can see. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Pages with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the inside. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.